finally we got to the temple of Wat Ratchabophit. Hey, what's up, my friend? Okay, here is the entrance finally. Chedi. Something is going on here. That looks like the main hall. I'm taking a walk to this way first to see what's going on out here. So there's some instructions or some historical something instructions or some descriptions of those buildings on the printed on the posters or on the board. I understand. If anybody of you guys can understand Thai, please feel free and go ahead to leave a comment on this video. Okay, this place it looks more like the wedding area or it looks more like the area to celebrate something. So might as well I can just take a walk to get into the main entrance and to film the interior a little bit. Okay. Sawadee-krap. Okay, might as well just get into the main area directly. Easier to do it this way. Okay, that's the gate. And boom. See what's going on down here. Wow. Wow. Magnificent golden building. Huge. Here it says authorized personnel only. So no entry to this gate. Still I can explore a little bit from the exterior. You see this gigantic drum. Look at the sheet of leather. Okay, this leather, look at how huge it is. Not sure if I'm allowed to hit. Whoa, that's loud. Okay. This place is big. And stand. Look at all the tiles. No, those are not tiles. Those are hand painted on the wall. Whoa. go. This is the main entrance to the worship hall. Unfortunately, it is closed, not opened 8 a.m. Wow, this temple is enormously huge. Big, big, big. Just look at how tall the buildings are and see what I found. There's a bell building down there. Okay. There's the side entrance, I assume. Okay. Hot, hot, hot. Yes. No entry for now. See? Every tile they look like hand painted by hand. Unfortunately, no entry. And here we see the statue of Thai King. Okay, back to the front entrance, and the good thing is I see shoes here, which means may be able to take a tour. Okay, I'm doing it. Be quiet, guys. No filming. Okay. Wow, thank you. Okay. No filming allowed. No entrance allowed neither. Not sure if I'm allowed to do some filming from the exterior. No. Fair enough. Okay. That's amazing. That's definitely magnificent. That was quick. That was a quick tour. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel if you like the video, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.